Let's begin with the third string problem. This is from the lit code, which is the medium level. So let's see, find index of first occurrence of string is a problem statement. So here we have given a true string. Return the first occurrence of needle in haystack or -1 if needle is not a part of haystack. So here we have given an input like haystack and needle. So in haystack a string is there like textbook, sad but sad, hello, and in needle the part of that string like book, a sad or but or ll. So we have to check whether this book is in like needle is in the haystack, and if it is, we have to return the index. So here if you see textbook and needle have book, so here if you compare book is here like we, so it starts from here, so index 4, so we have to return the 4. Here if you see sad but sad, so s sad is here, it is there, so we have to return the index of the first a word. So but, so fourth at 4, so here for but the 4 will be the answer. So if you consider hello, so for hello 2 will be the index. So here you will say ll is there and ll, so here we'll get the 2 as an answer. So now let's consider first example, textbook and needle is a book. So let's like we here now we'll go character by character here. In a state we'll start from t, we'll check if t is equal to, so we'll use a for loop for this iteration. So we iterate over each character and we'll check if it's there, if it match with the b. So now if we will start with for I equal to 1, so for I will start from 0, so we'll check here is it equal to b, no. So let's next we'll check next character e, no, x is not, so I equal to 4. Now when I equal to 4 you will get b, so here b equal to b. So as we got b same, so we'll check whether we'll compare then if this book and this all characters are same like oh okay and oh okay is there. So if it is there, then we'll return the I, that is 4. So if let's see how to approach this problem. So first is that like we'll iterate this, we'll compare with this first word. If we find the same, then we'll compare the next characters with all these characters, and if it is same, then we'll return the I. So let's see how to solve this. So yeah, it is a function str which takes the parameters haystack and needle. So it will have the textbook and book. So n1 equal to haystack dot length. So here n1 value is 8, like hey, for textbook length. So for int I equal to 0, I is less than n, like I is less than and I plus plus. So here as I said, it will be compared starting from textbook. Here from here it will compare like at 0 is it equal to b, so this thing will work here. So no, this is not equal, so it will iterate e, it will see e, no it's not there. uh, and if we found that equal, we can see b is equal to b at I equal to 4. So there again we'll write the compare function. This compare function is used to compare this next part, like next characters, book equal to book. So here we'll compare, we'll use the compare function. So compare function will take haystack needle I value, like that is 4, and if it is true, like if we get here true, then it will return I, that is the index, and if it is not, it will return -1, that is means false, like it does not, needle does not exist in the haystack. So now this is the part. Now we will write here compare function. So it is boolean, like it will return true or false value. So here you will take a string haystack, parameter string needle, and index is 4. So here we'll take n1 n2, length of the hex haystack dot length means length of this and length of this. So this n1 n2 are length. Now let's go for a for loop. This for loop is used to check the next part, like is book equal to this book. So here first if condition is there, like index is equal greater than or equal to n minus 1, means like if you have the last word, like if it's equal to n1, suppose your I is here or index is here, then there is no need to it go further. So if it's last word or greater than that, so equal to n1, so it will not iterate further, so there is no need to go and check if book is there. So in that, this is one of the case, so in this it will return the false. Now let's this is the condition where haystack dot caret index plus plus, so our index is at 4. So if you see 0 1 2 3 4, so 4, so first it will check 4, then is not equal to caret, but this condition is false, so then again index plus plus, so it will check at 5. So 5, so I will be 2. So it will check o is equal to o, so this condition is again, it will not enter in this if loop. If it will not go here, again it will check the o, this o with this o. Then again they are equal, then it will again to compare this k with this k. So these both are equal, so here it will not, here it should be written true, so it will not go into this if loop, if condition, so it will return the true. And then if, so here answer is equal to true, so the here we'll get the true from this function, compare function. Then here for equal to true, so then it will return 1, return I, sorry, the index, that is 4. So in this way, this is a how to check if one string is occurs in the other not. So first, so if you go, so first we'll iterate over this string, so first we'll iterate over this thing, this string. Then if we found the first word, like b and b, if we found b, so here we'll use the compare function. The compare function is again used to compare this with this, so here we have written compare function. So it will compare book is equal to book, if it is there, then it will return the I, like it will return the 4 answer. So in this way, this is the find index of first occurrence of string. So this is, so here just we have done on pen and paper, we'll solve it on LeetCode also, or you can also try to solve on the LeetCode. I'll share the solution with you of this on LeetCode. So, but this is the approach that we have to use. This is very simple question, like everyone should know, like whether string is palindrome or not. And what is palindrome, like everyone might be knowing, like what is palindrome. But palindrome is nothing but original string and reverse of the string is equal. If they both are equal, then that is said to be palindrome. If you consider level, if you see it in the reverse way, it is level only. If you radar, if you see it in the reverse, mom, wow, this is the example of the palindrome strings. So let's see how to solve. So here it is just, you just, we have seen the reverse logic, same way we are doing here the reverse. So well, first is level, so we created taken a string reverse which is empty. So here it will start from the end in, it will come backwards, and it will start adding in the reverse, like it will go here, then it will add l, then it will add e v e l, like this reverse string will be formed. Then again here if condition is used to compare str to lowercase, like it will check with all the cases, upper cases as well as lower cases, dot equals to lowercase. So it will check if both are same, if both are same, then it will return that it is a palindrome, else it is not a palindrome. So this is very easy question, just here we have to reverse the string and we have to check whether they are equal or not. So here just I have one question, you guys find out here why we have used dot equals and not double equal to. So just comment me this in answer, like what is the answer for this, why here dot equals is used and not double equal to. So yes, this is the fourth question of the string. So you can try on the LeetCode or on your IDE, any idea you are using, and check whether these questions are working. Like, do you get the output of this? I'll show you the solutions later, but you can try on your own. So yes, thank you.